Hi! In front of me is Motorola Razr 30 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once on this device. You need to begin by opening Photos app and holding one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. In my case, this one. Now to pick multiple ones right away, select this dot at the top right corner. In order to exclude some, just click on them. As you can see, all of my photos were successfully selected. Now to delete them, select Delete at the bottom next to the shopping cart. Tap on Got it and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!